Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number you've got currently saved on your contacts, and then I'll show you another way. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the option block numbers, so let's simply tap on it, and right here we've got the information that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so be aware and tap on block. For some reason I'm unable to block the numbers, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to do it. You will find a characteristic icon probably here, or the information that the number has been blocked. If you want to, you can also unblock the number the same way, three dots icon and unblock the numbers. Yes, and the number will be unblocked, obviously. And now let me show you the second way of blocking the number. It does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Right here we have to tap on blocked numbers, so let's tap. And basically this is our blacklist. In my case it is empty, so let's tap on add a number simply. And as you can see here, you can enter the number which is not saved on your contacts, so you can of course paste it if you've got it copied and then tap on block. And as you can see, not the photo, but the number will immediately appear on the blacklist, which of course means that you will now receive calls or messages from the number. What is more, here we've got the option unknown, so you can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will block them. Of course it's up to you whether it is useful or not. And what is more, in order to unblock the number, nothing easier, just tap on this X button and confirm it by tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.